Hello, Davish. How are you?
Good.
Oh, good. Just give me a moment. I just need call the rest, okay? Sometimes, yeah. Just a moment. Oh, who is there? Okay. Akil and okay. Who's not here? Ilhan. Just a moment. Just one moment. Let me just get Ilhan. Because we're gonna go into a little bit tough one. Okay. Just one last check whether I missed out anyone. So that before I start, let me see. Oh, what is this? Zahina. Zahin. Zahin is Madam Hot. Okay. Oh, there's also someone. Oh, Zahin is in. Okay. Okay. Assalamualaikum everyone. We are gonna do a little bit of a second stage for volume. So this is gonna be a little bit more complex, lah. So take it step by step. Okay. Here we go. We stopped the other day at this question. So I just wanna remind you, the formula is there is a triangle down here. Okay, down here. So it's volume, length, breadth, height. Remember, right? So now we're gonna go through the next level. Okay, the next level is here we go. We read it together lah. Here you so you have now a cubical container. So that means 8 by 8 by 8. Completely filled with water. The water is poured inside this bigger tank. And they will just want you to find what is the height. That's all. Okay, you try. You try. Oh. Can see, yeah. Maybe I should remove this thing. You all know this already. Okay. If you need me to write, I'll write it over here. Okay, you send your answer. Do you want to know what's the height? Eh? Wow, very fast. Who is this? Congratulations, Putri first, and then Darwish. What about the rest? You Putri and Darwish, you can go to the next question. Next question, you got to read carefully, yeah? Not fill. Asking not fill with water. Okay. Let's see, we have Zahin. So sorry, not correct. Never mind. We'll go through shortly. We're waiting for Akil. Akil know how to do? If not, I explain. Akil, let's see. Okay, we give him 1 more minute. After that, we will explain. So Zahin, I give you the steps here. This step one, Zahin. Your answer is 4. Okay. So here we go. Now we find what's the volume of the water first. So it's 8 times 8 times 8, and you will get, I think it's 624. Is it? So Zahin is 8 times 8 times 8, 8 times 8 times 8 is 512, sorry. This is 512. Now this water, we assume lah, when they pour down here, nothing spills, not even a drip. There's no drop of water here. So this is also 512, Zahin. 512 what? cm cube lah. Because they cube, they poured all the water here now. So this is the same volume. So now you have volume, right? Down here you got the volume at 512. You have the length. You have the breadth. You can find the height. What is height? Volume over length and breadth. So down here, volume 512 over length, which is 16, and over the breadth. And when you do that, you will get 4 cm. Okay? Zahin, okay not Zahin? Zahin, okay? Okay, you all try the next one. Let us see whether anyone got the next one. Let me see. Well done to Putri. Hey guys, we got to catch up here, Putri. Putri is, yeah, Putri has gotten. Well done, well done, well done. Similar. Davish, you can do it, Davish. Okay, let me clear screen for hold on. And then, yeah, so that maybe Putri can do the next one. If there's, Putri can see the next one? Cannot see the next. Okay, now we got to wait first. So Putri, I'll give you some mental calculations. This one you cannot use a calculator. You got to try to find a way to times this. 13 times 11. The rest you continue this. 13 times 11, Putri. No using the calculator. Take 13 times 10 first. 13 times 10, you know the answer? Okay, then take 1 times 13 and you go and add it together. How much do you get? Oh, you have already, okay. All right, 27 times 11. Do the same thing, 27 times 7. Take 27 times 10, then plus 27. In your mind, mentally lah. Davish can do not, Davish? Wow. Okay. So, Putri, when you do the 9 timetable, instead of plus 1 unit, you minus 1 unit. Let's say if I tell you 27 times 9. Take times 10 first, then minus 27. So 27 times 9. Can. Zahin cannot, Zahin? Do the same steps, Zahin. Do the same, find the volume here. Find the volume of water here. Now they tell you that this is half fill. So the half fill means what's half of 36? This one must be half lah. Okay, you can find the volume down here. Come on. Half of 36, 18 lah. You're going to find the volume here. This volume is the same as this volume. These two are the same because you're going to pour everything inside here. It's the same volume. So find the volume here. And then let us see whether... Okay, wow. What is it? 306243? No, that's nothing. Oh, it's working. Okay. I'll give you a last one. 24 times 9. 24 times 9. Akil, you look very tired, Akil. You are looking fed up and tired. I know at this point in time, sometimes in the afternoon, I just feel like going to sleep. Right? Yeah. So what to do? You're having your exams in 3 months. Well done. Well done. Okay, Zahin, okay, we go through step by step this one. So Zahin, you found the volume, is it? So 18 times 32 times 28. Let us see what it is. Is that the 18 times 32 times 28. Again, 18 times 32 times 28. So when you find this volume here is 16128. But this is 16128. How I get 16128? I take 18, which is here, times 32 times 28. This is now the volume of water that is here. This volume of water is 16128. So what you want to find? Okay, I know you want to find this one. Don't find this one first. Find this one. If you know the height here, just take 33 minus the height, you get answer. So now, how to find the height? Same thing. Same thing that just now. You have volume, you have length, breadth, and height. You want to find the height. So what do? You take volume divided length and breadth times breadth lah. So volume is 16128. Divide by length is 36 times 16. Okay, you divide, you will get 28. So this is 28. This is 33. This is 28. This one must be 5 lah. You minus 33 minus 28 is 5. Zahin, are you okay, Zahin? You get it, no, Zahin? Zahin, you get it? No. Okay. Dawish, you get it? Akil, you get it? Okay, I just go through again. Darwin, you, sorry, not Darwin. Zahin, you get this volume, you understand? Yes. Now then, we go to the question of what? Of how to find the height. Let's say now we don't ignore 33 first. You got length, you got breadth, you got volume. So now, let us go down here. Length, breadth, and volume. So remember, I'm going to put the thing here. You need to to use the triangle, like everyone lah. So down here now, if you have volume is equal to length, breadth, height. You want to find height. The formula is volume over length times breadth. I cover volume over length times breadth. So volume is 16128. The length, let us see what's the length. The length they say is 36. The breadth is 18. So when you divide this, you get 28. Right. So now what is 28? Well, let us look at the diagram again. Okay. 28 is from here to here. This is 28. If I were to draw, this is 20. Hello, never mind. This is 28. The whole thing is how much? The whole thing from here to here is 33. 33 minus 28, you get 5. Why I want to find 5 here? Because they say, what is the height of the tank not filled with water? They want to know this height here. The height not filled with water. Remember, not filled. So that's why you take 33 minus 28. I hope you're okay. Zahin, are you okay, Zahin? Zahin, okay not? A little bit okay. Okay, never mind. We move on first. We move on first. So which part you're not okay, later you must tell me. Maybe I might spend a few minutes with you after the lesson. Okay, we find out which. Okay, now. This one now. You try. First of all, your mindset must be, you must believe you can do this. No. If you say it's too hard, that's it. Don't believe you cannot do it. Like you want to go for a battle, a fight, a war. You must believe that you can win. If you say you believe you're going to lose, the enemy will beat you up. Worst of all, you go on a tightrope between two buildings. Later, I'll show you this guy, a French guy who walked between the twin towers. And he made it. And he made it. But twin towers are no longer around. They say some Muslims destroyed it. I don't think so. But I'll show you later if we have time. Wow, very fast. Who is this one? Okay, let us see. Wow, Zahin. This time now, Zahin is the first one. Let's see. I have not calculated. I think you are absolutely correct, Zain. Congratulations, Zain. Well done. What about the rest? Dawish cannot, Dawish. Dawish, congratulations. I just called your name and it came up. Putri, what happened, Putri? Putri, correct. All right. All right. All four of you got it. Answer is 20. Well done. That means this is not so tough for you. Okay, but the PSLE one, if they come out like that, they start question, this will be in paper one. Or maybe in the earlier part of paper two, but normally they give you tougher ones lah. But it's okay. You are getting there. You're getting there. That's very good. Now you try this one. Don't be afraid of the question. Don't be afraid of the question. You must remember, the more longer the question is, sometimes more information you get. Let us see. Let us see. Where is Ilhan? See, I got to inform his mom. Unless he's sick. He went for a jab yesterday.
Is 40. 3 is 90.
So what you may miss out is this. They already give you a clue down here. They also give you another clue here. What is base area for those of you who do not know is this bottom yellow part of here. That's the base area. Base area down here, the yellow part down here.
0. 60.
I cannot color properly lah. The height. Putri, I have not even finished reading question. You have already the thing. Let us see. Okay, yeah. Let us see. Congratulations, Putri, for A. Well done, Putri. Well done. Is it difficult? But the question may look scary at first. The question may look scary, but you read again, very simple. Is that someone look like a big gangster now? You say, I don't know. Or the teacher looks a big gangster. Then you come to me, excuse me, can you tell me where the toilet is? Oh, it's just over there. It's like that, something like that. Okay. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Remember, Allah commanded the angels to bow down to men, Allah created Nabi Adam and asked the angels to bow down. Even Iblis had to bow down. But Iblis did not want to bow down. He was jealous. He was jealous. So we give you another 2 minutes more. 2 minutes more. Meanwhile, we'll test Putri on her timetable and mental skills. Okay, Putri, 35 times 9. Mental, You don't be afraid. Oh, yes. Putri, correct. What about 35 times 11? Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to do 15 timetable. 15 timetable. Huh? Okay, 15 timetable, we divide it into 10 timetable and 5 timetable. Let us test your 5 timetable first. 20 times 5. 100. Huh? Good. Was it? Oh, okay. Now, how do you do this? I just want to tell you. You take times 10 first, then divide by 2. Or you divide by 2 first, then times 10. So if I'm going to tell you what is 42 times 5, what's your answer? You divide by 2 times 10 or times 10 divided by 2, either one. What about the rest? We are waiting for you, the rest. Yes. So if I tell you, ask you 42 times 15, what's your answer? 42 times 15. You times 10, then times 5. They add together. 24. So sorry, it's not. Zahin is not. Darwish, which one you doing, Darwish? You doing mental sums or what? Mental sum, ah? Don't do mental sum for Mr. Okay. Okay, Putri, well done. Okay, we're going to do this one. Darwish, have you sent your answer for your this one? You know how to do? Okay, let us try. Now, if you are wondering how to find the volume, we want to find the volume of water. Remember what's the formula for volume? Length times breadth times height. And then that's filling with what you have. You have height 20, okay, but you don't have length, don't have breadth. But they tell you you have it. You don't know the length. Yes, you don't know the breadth, but length times breadth, you know. Length times breadth, they tell you is equal to 60. See, how do I know? Base area I shade for you is here. What is this part on here? This part is length times breadth lah. Length times breadth, how much? 60. So take 60 times 20. You will get the volume of water, which is 1,200 cm. Cube. Cm cube. So I hope you understand this part. Again, I repeat. You want to find the volume of water, is length and breadth and height. Normally, you know the length, you know the breadth, you times together. Now they already times this for you already. Length and breadth, they tell you 60. How do I know that? Base area. Base means bottom. Area. Area at the bottom lah down here. Base area. Area at the bottom. 60. Just times the 20. Why times 20 can? Length and breadth is 60 times the height. So this is 1,200. Now, they did not pour everything here. They pour 2/3. So you must find what is 2/3 out of this. The first one, yes. So 2/3 of 1,200. What do you get? You divide it right? Okay, I'll show you how to divide. Divide by 3, you get 1. Divide by 3, you get 4. 400 here, times 2, 800. So that means inside here is 800. The volume is 800 cubic cm. Again, how you get 800? 2/3 of the water from here is poured. So 2/3 of 1,200 is 800. So this is 800. How to find the height? Well, you know the formula again. How to find the height? Okay, it's volume over length and breadth. This is height, right? You know, find height is volume over length times breadth. But you say, I know volume is 800. But the length and breadth, I don't know. But again, in this case, length times breadth, they already give you also 80. So now you take 800, divide by 80. Why you divide 80? 80 is length times breadth. You will get 10 cm. So this is 10 cm. Darwish, okay? Darwish, okay or not, Darwish? Akil, cannot see you. Zahin, okay not, Zahin? Zahin now is another word lah. Zahin, okay or not? Is it not okay? Not sure. Okay, it will get tougher lah. So you need to try to focus. We try to focus. Otherwise, you'll be gone, you know. Because your PSLE can be tougher than this. Okay. Okay, we try now. We try the next one. Okay, now next one, they include not only volume, they include rate. So you try first. You try first. Brim is to right to the top. Okay, you try. Putri, okay. Akil, you're close. But I think your conversion is wrong for this one. 1 liter is 1000 cm cube. I think you take it as 100. Or maybe something like that. Darwish, okay. Step one, yeah, Zahin, well done. Okay, so I will run through. All of you have gotten it. 3 of you got correct. 1 of you missed. I think you have an additional 0. So you find the volume. 80 times 60 times 90. What? Sorry, times 40. You get 192,000. Correct? Is it 192? Should be right. 192. So this is in cm cube. You must change to liters. How many liters is this? Divide by 1000. Cancel 192 liters. And then the water is coming out 12 liters per minute. So they want to know how many minutes will it take to empty the 192 liters. 192 divided by 12 lah. And you will get 16 minutes. Well done. Now, if some of the questions you can do, some you cannot do, don't be frustrated, okay? Take it easy, because sometimes the aha effect comes at a different time, okay? Yes, minute, or you put a dot there. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Next one. Now this is you are reaching the PSLE, like question number 10 and above. This is the question. Something like that. Or maybe question 5. At least it's still question 5. It's still question 5. Oh, very fast. Well done, Putri. Maths getting easier for you, Putri. Well done, Zahin. Well done. Putri, maths getting easier for you. Yeah, you find as you do this and you push, you got to push yourself lah. You'll find that maths is the easiest subject. Even your Malay, English, you cannot score full marks. Maths, you can score full marks. Darwish, well done. Akil. We're waiting for Akil. You find the volume first. Okay, while Akil is calculating, I just run through very quickly here. In order to find volume, is length times breadth times height. Okay. Wow, that's very high, very high. Wow. Okay, so when you times, you will get, alamak, I forgot, so 60 times 40 times 60 times 40 times 40. You get 96,000. But you see, that is for the whole tank. It's from unto here, you know. The water is not unto there. It's 3/4 filled. So actually, you can times this by 3/4. This is one way lah. Okay, times by 3/4. Then you can get the amount of water inside. Times 3 divided by 4. You get 72,000 liters. 72,000 liters you change to cm cube, 72,000 cm cube you change to liters. Divide by 1,000, this is equals to 72 liters. And then the rate that's given now is what? Is 9 liters per minute. So you want to find how many minutes to empty this tank? 72 divided by 9, you get 8. 72 divided by 9, you get 8. So the last part is 72 divided by 9, 72 liters divided by 9 liters per minute, you will get 8 minutes. Okay, that's it. Okay, we try the next one. We move on to the next one. You got to be a coach to yourself, where if you are feeling lazy, you got to push yourself. If you try, you keep making mistake, you got to console yourself. It's okay, tell yourself. That's what I do to myself, you know, because I do all sorts of projects. Quite sometimes are very difficult. Sometimes I feel I'm going to fail. But I tell myself, it's okay. I just take one day at a time. I might be late, it's okay. And then Allah helps. Allah allows me to complete the job. And so the same thing will happen to you. Allah will allow you, will help you. Okay, you try now this one. Well done, Putri. Congratulations, Zahin. Well done. Darwish and Akil, are we there? Akil, Darwish, I think you something went wrong somewhere. Higher lah. Try A lah. A lah. Don't want A. You think you cannot, you see? Don't think you cannot. You can. Akil, what about you, Akil? We're waiting for you. You can do it. You can do it. Trust me, all of you can score A.
I sent already.
You sent already? Oh, Akil, well done. Congratulations. Darwish, okay, so we're going to go through. Let us go through. Here we go. I know, don't worry. I know sometimes it's difficult to believe. When you have not passed and all, you feel, how can you even think about A? Okay, that's what happened to one of my students, right? But yeah, okay, he got a B, right? So it's okay. So when you times all this, you will get 1 160,000 cm cube. Now, you change this to liters, huh? You divide by 1,000. So this is in liters. Now you need just to divide by the 8 liters lah. So 160, because it's 8 liters per minute, right? So you divide by 8, you get 20. So Darwish, how you get 24? Huh? Do you know your mistake or not? You know your mistake? If you don't know, must show me, okay? Okay, I assume you do. If you don't, you must tell me so that I can correct your mistake. Okay, we try now. Question number 4. Okay, I have not. Well, Darwish, let me see. Darwish is 1/4 filled, not the whole tank filled. So that's your mistake, Darwish. Okay, some of you may not feel you are happy down here. You might be forced by your parents. So you can leave the tuition. You feel, but don't be rude to me. If you are rude to me, I get very upset. Then I cannot teach the rest. So I'm quite a very patient teacher actually. But once I get angry, the students get very frightened of me. So if you this tuition is not compulsory, you must understand that. If you feel your parents are forcing you, talk to your parents. Don't get angry with me. I didn't force you to come for tuition, And if you just woke up or whatever, that's your business lah. Okay, but don't be rude to me because I will get you out of my tuition session. All right, come try. Because I treat you with respect. I treat every student with respect. Now, problem is sometimes you treat students with respect, they think that you can step on your head. Until you scold them and you see suddenly they have a change. So like such students, maybe they want me to scold them. I do not know. So please try, come, the rest of you. And I don't like talking about this because those who are not rude and all that, it makes them feel very strange. So I apologize to those who. You must understand, I'm one of those tutors who stop students from coming for lessons. So don't think that, oh, your parents pay, I will take you in. No. Okay, I choose to my students very, very carefully. I only chose those who are struggling at maths, I don't teach people who do well. I have no reason to teach them. So I know what you have to go through. If you have been failing, you're gonna try to succeed. I know it's tough. And I want to help those type of students. But I expect those type of students, all students, like, we respect each other, you see. But if you feel you cannot respect one another, you think I'm your friend, you want to raise your voice to me, I don't raise my voice to you, right? I'm 50 years old, older than most of your parents. So don't treat me with disrespect. That's what I'm saying. Zahin is too long, 486 minutes. How many hours is that? 486. This is how many? 8.1 hours. Wow. Something is wrong. Okay, come on. You can find the volume of the container. Okay, I will go through lah. I'll go through. Here we go. So here we go. Okay, take 90 times 60 times 40. 90 times 60 times 40. You get 216,000. 216,000 cubic cm. You change to liters. It's 216 liters. Okay, 216 liters now. You have to divide by 4 because this is only 1/4 filled. In fact, there's two ways of doing this. Okay, but I'll show you this way. Now you divide by 4. You divide by 4 now, what do you get? You get 54 liters. 54 liters here. Okay, so this is 54 liters. You just now divide by 9. When you divide by 9, you get 6 minutes. Now this is one way of doing it. I'll show you another way, okay? Another way of doing it. Okay, here we go. Now, down here, this is 1/4 filled. 1/4 filled. So this is 1/4 lah. You can find what is 1/4 of 40 cm. 1/4 of 40 cm. You get what? You get 10, you know. So this is actually 10 cm from here to here. 10 cm. Okay. So you just take 10 times 60 times 90. You can get 96,000. 96,000 what? Cm cube lah, which is 96 liters. Okay. So then after you divide by 9. Sorry, 96. 54, sorry, 54. Hold on, sorry. 54, sorry, 54. Mistake. 9 times 6, 54, 54,000. So later with 54 liters, then divide by 9, you'll get 6 minutes. Okay. I hope it's okay for you. So there's two ways. If you have 1/4 filled, you can find the whole volume divide by times by 1/4, or just take the height times 1/4. Up to you. Up to you. Okay, we try the next one. Okay, I've not done this yet. Let me see. So sorry, Putri, you got to try again. You got to find out what's the total volume. Now, how to find total volume? They tell you actually. Okay, they give you a clue. The tap fills at 10 liters per minute, and it will take 14 minutes to fill up. So how many liters is in here after 14 minutes? That's the volume. Okay, again, I repeat, this tap now, it will take 14 minutes to fill up the whole thing with water. Let me see. I don't, okay, good try. Let's see whether, hold on. I myself am. So sorry, Dawish is not. Putri, you've gotten it. Second attempt, correct. Well done. What about the rest? So I'll write the steps for you. Okay, step 1. Step 1, find volume. How to find volume? Take 10 liters in 1 minute times 14 liters. 14 minutes. You get 140 liters. 140 liters we fill up down here to the brim, right? This is to the brim. That means what? Right until the top here lah. Right until the top here. Now, so this you must change to cm cube. 1 liter is 1000. 140, sorry?
25.
95. Well, we'll see. 95 is not answer.
No, 20, is it 25?
No, not 25. Okay, so you have 140,000. Then what to do? How to find the height? Very simple. Remember, to find the height, you take volume, length, breadth, and height. Okay. So take volume divided by length and breadth lah. So 14000 divided by 70 and 50. And your answer will be 40 cm. Okay, you get 40 lah. Now, okay, I'll ask you one by one. Dawish, do you understand, Dawish? Honestly. Are you sure or not? You understand? Okay, what about Akhil, you understand? Zahin, you understand? Sure. Okay, you say you understand. Totally understand. Yeah, you got correct. Totally understand. Okay, so okay, you try. If you really don't get, never mind. I will go through another set of questions next week. That will double test you. Now this is like question 12 or so lah. More than question number 10 in paper 2 lah. Okay, I've seen this in like the exam papers. So you try this now. Remember the identical here. These two tanks are the same size. Very fast. Okay, the first one is easy lah. This one is easy. Are you sure? Putri, check your answer for A. Zahin, your answer for A is correct. Well done. You must understand why your answer is wrong, Putri. Because you read it carefully then. Which one is faster to drain? But you understand, Putri? Now the B part Well done, Dawish. Congratulations. Okay, both answers are correct. Akhil, okay, your B is correct. Okay, Putri, both answers correct. So not so tough, actually. It may look very tough, but actually it's quite easy. And that is what maths is lah. But remember, but Singapore maths is quite tough. However, when you master it, you might go through frustration lah. And sometimes students, when they go through frustration, they take it out on the tutor lah. And yeah. Oh, okay. Ilhan is unwell lah. Okay. What about the rest? Akil and Zahin, then B answer. Okay, Zahin, well done. Okay, I hope Akil can get. So let's say you find what's the volume. The volume is 105 liters. I don't need to the thing. Then you just divide by 5, and the other one you divide by 7. Remember, when you have more water coming out, it's like you can change lah. You can change a lot of liquid can come out. Means it's emptied. Your bladder is emptied faster. Okay, but if you can change very slow, this is take a longer time, right? Yeah, so this one now, it takes 21 minutes. This one takes 15 minutes. So just minus 21 minus 15, you get 6 minutes. The difference is 6 minutes. In fact, I have a question. Is farting a waste? Not really, because maybe I'll show you the book one day. But farting is not a waste. But the question is, why is it you fart from your anus and not from when you urinate? When you go to the toilet, you have explosive stuff. Then you can do. Imagine that happened to the front where you kencing. You know how messy it's going to get? So the question is why? And I'm just going to draw you for you to understand. I think one of you have already explained in class. Down here now, when you have your intestines, down here, when it's processing, the food is going in, there's also air. It's being compressed. So you learn that air can be compressed, right? Compressed means what? Means let's say you have an air in the whole room, air in the whole room, you squeeze into a balloon. This balloon, when you take a pin and it will pop, it will explode. But liquid cannot do that. That's why your urine, you cannot compress, You cannot take the whole room, you compress inside, cannot. That's why it will not explode. Whereas for farting, kentut, it's compressed air. And it's also important. Sometimes your tie is stuck, right? Then because of air, compressed air, you find it starts shooting out the dung. I do not know whether you understand what I'm saying, but it actually happens. Okay, we try the next one. Oh, that is the last question of the book. Well done, well done. Okay, just before showing you that, I just want to show you this. Okay, this is something true. Very quickly, before we go to down here now, Twin Towers. Okay, I do not know whether you know what's Twin Towers in the US. And there's a movie called The Walk. You can see, right, my screen, right? So down here, this is an actual photo of Philip Petit. When he was being constructed, he walked on the Twin Towers, and there is no net below. And he walked a few times. He spent about half an hour down here. Now, this is considered impossible, right? Because the winds are strong one. In fact, you can have a strong wind, but he did it. He did it. So if it's impossible, stuff can be possible. Of course, there are cases people try to do that, they died lah. Okay, so but in this case, he did not. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, just give me one moment. Let me. Where is the? Sorry. Okay, just one. Okay, can I just? Hold on. Sorry. I am now going to. Okay, we are going to do some revision very quickly. But I can't find where you are. Okay, so more or less we have finished volume. that is actually from one book lah. So next week we'll do the another book and maybe a third book. Okay, but I want us to be able to. Okay, this is now to check for your errors. Can we try this? What's your answer very quickly? Let me also calculate because I do not know what's the answer. This one is a divide sign. This one is the divide sign. Okay. Wow, who is that very fast? Okay. Hold on, I think okay. Everyone's okay. One person said 3, the other one said 3, or say 52. Anyone else? Is there a mistake in this question? Okay, let's do step by step. You tell me whether this is all right or not. Okay, so 60, which one do we do first? Brackets, correct? So this is 4 plus 2, 6. Yeah, okay, 24 divided by 6. Sorry, my bad. I saw the wrong thing. My bad. 24 divided by 6 would be 4. 4 times 2, 8. Yeah, 52. Well done. Okay, I go in times this. I made a mistake. So congratulations. So I'm wondering why my answer is not there. Common factors you should know. Okay, this one. This should be like quick, fast one. Okay, let us see who. Well done, Davish. Akil, well done. Okay, all got it correct. Congratulations. Well done. Wow, the answer is 3, yeah? Well done. Okay, this one. Okay. All right. Okay. So all also okay. The answer is 3 again. Well done. You're doing it faster than me. So notice, paper 1 seems to be not an issue. Question number 8 now. I hope the answer is not 3 lah, because I don't know where is where, man. Okay, good. Zahin, you got to check. They ask you remaining length of the rope, not the rope that was used. I think you gave a rope that was used. Putri, same thing. They're asking you what's the length of the remaining rope, not the rope that was used. You are giving the rope that was used. Davish, okay. All right, I need to, Zahin, okay. Zahin, your second attempt is correct. Davish, I need to see, can you show me your paper now? Okay, Mr. Akil, your answer is also not the balance. Davish, you show me your paper. Let's see. Let me just see. Davish, where are you? Wait. Okay. No, not that paper. You're working. Do you do your working? I need to see how you did. You didn't do your working. Did not. Okay, never mind. Okay, so this one only Zahin got it correct. So how to do this one? So watch carefully here. Now, very simple. He used 1/5 of it. So that means remaining is 4/5. So 4/5 is the remaining. So 4/5 times 3/4. That's what you do. Because what is left is 4/5 of 3/4. You see, if you don't get it, 4/5 of 3/4. If you still don't get it, I will show you another way. So you get 3/5. Now, see how those of you are confused, I will draw now. Imagine the rope is this long lah. Imagine. Okay, this from where to where? The rope is 3/4 meters. This is 3/4 meters. And then it's divided into 5 parts. Okay. He used 1 part, left with 4 parts. 4 out of 5 off. Off means times 3/4. And that's why we will get 3/5. Okay, I'm not too sure whether you get it, but again, next time when we go through the next one, let's see whether you can do this. So this is one area of weakness for some of you. Okay, hold on. This one, question 10. Okay. Who is that? I'm still working out. Some of you have already done it. That means you're very fast. If your answers are correct, you're very fast. Okay, hold on. Oh, you all are fast. Okay. Let's see. Wow, 3 of you given answer. I'm slower. So some say 3, some say 2. So I'm not too sure. All got different answer lah. Some got 2, some got 3, some got 4. Akil say 4. So let us go step by step. Who is taller? Mary is taller. By how many? 18 cm. So we take 144 plus 18, right? That's the first thing. 144 plus 18. And what do we get? We get 162. So 162 is whose height? Is Susan's height. So Susan to Mary is 162 to 144, So let us see now. Which one can we cross out? All this is lesser than this. This one is out lah. This one is more. So now we try now. Divide by what? 162 can divide by what? 12. Not 12. 144 divided by 2. Okay. 162 divided by 6. Okay, divided by 6 get 27. 144 divided by 6. 24. Okay, I can see already. So now divide by 3 get 9. Divide by 3 get 8. Answer is number 4. Let me see. Those who got it wrong, I hope you are clear. Who are? Dawish, I hope you're clear. Okay, because maybe the Zahin, well done. Putri, I hope you're clear. So maybe your mistake might be you put it in the wrong thing. You might put Mary to Susan instead of Susan to Mary. Be careful. So Akil, you got it right. Congratulations. So again, this one you can do, but it's whether you're careless or not. So be careful. We move on to the next one. Again. So easy, that one. Hey, careful. Oh, this is a tricky question. Okay, let's see. First one. Zahin, so sorry, try again. Akil, so sorry, not 4. Putri, so sorry, not 4. Davish, so all are not correct except one. Now suddenly you're getting right. Okay, Zahin, your answer now is correct. Davish, your answer is correct. What about Putri and Akil? Can you get the correct answer? Do you know how to do? Remember, this is okay. This is now, it's not so difficult. It's just a little bit tricky, you need, that's all. Akil and Putri can do this. Putri, okay, now it's only Akil. But I do not know, are you all guessing or not? Okay, we try. Okay, Akil's, you got to try again. Okay, never mind. We find out what is the, yeah, you're guessing now, is it not 3, not 1? So guessing lah. Okay, so now down here, what does she save in 1 month? Take 144, divide by 6 lah. Right? You'll get $24. That's in 1 month. Now, this is a tricky part, this statement now. If I draw a model for you, she saves more than Bala. So Bala saves less lah. How many dollars less? $6 less. So this is Jane, this is Bala. Jane saved more than Bala. Jane saves $24 a month. Bala, 24 minus 6 lah, you get 18 lah. Okay, you can see. I repeat, first of all, you need to find out how much Jane saves in 1 month. 144 divided by 6, you get 24. Number 2, you find out this, you must know, do you plus or minus 6? They say she saves more than Bala. So Bala must save less than 24. So you must minus 6. You get this. Yes, yeah, trick. Yeah, your trick. But it's not too tough a question. It's just being careful. So the PSLE is like that. Okay, don't be so overconfident. Like there was one particular girl, she was so overconfident. Parents asked, easy. And then she got worse than her friends, you know. So I told the parents, I didn't want to tell the parents earlier, but it was after the PSLE. I say, your daughter did worse than the rest, but she thought it was easy. That means there's only one possibility. She was overconfident, and she will make the mistakes you make. But actually, if you go through step by step, you can do this. Okay, we try now. The next one, number 12. Okay, this is very easy. So this is easier than earlier one. Okay, well done, Davish and Putri and Zahin. Akil? Not yet. Okay. No problem. You take a time. We move on to the next one. 1. 1, 5. Oh, no. 9, 19. Okay, 19, correct. Okay, all of you got 19, so I don't need to explain that one. Okay, this one. Something wrong with, there's a full stop, supposed to be a full stop here. This full stop is there. Okay lah, it's easy lah, easy. Okay. Well done, Miss Putri. Putri, well done. Zahir, well done. So you notice, when your real difficulty is problem sums. This one is still okay. Well done, Akil. And one more. Who has not? Davish, all in re. Okay, well done. So the answer is 25. Well done. Notice, this sort of question is no longer a challenge for you. Alhamdulillah, that's very good. That's very good. That means you have been improving, inshallah. Let's try now, next one. Zahin got to check. Putri correct. Dawish correct. Mr. Akil, you got to check. You got to be careful. This one is giveaway marks. Giveaway marks. Come on, giveaway marks. I'm gonna try again, Zahin and Akil. But don't try by guessing lah. Huh? Okay, meanwhile, I will write A, B, C. 15. 5 years younger is 10. 4 years younger than 10 is 6. Now they want 15 is to 6. Just to ratio 15 is to 6. Divide by 5. 3. You get 5. And then divide, so you get 2. Answer is 3. Okay. So it's quite straightforward. Okay, you just need to be careful. Okay, and no one can force you this. If your parents are forcing you, that's where the problem may come. Now, some students, they feel so forced. They get so fed up, they just underperform purposely to make their parents upset. So yeah, you must try to see meaning in maths. This one don't want because you can do. This one you don't want, you can do. Let me see. This one, please. You should be able to do this. A very easy answer. Very easy answer. You get it wrong, I don't know what to say. Except that you are careless. Okay, we have the first one. 2% is good. Well done, Zahin, Putri. Okay, that means it's 1 point or anything. What about Dawish and Akil? Very easy. So one step question. Normally things, yes, okay, well done. So Akil, let's see. So normally things divide by the food, divide by the people lah. Don't take 7 divided by 3. There's something is wrong. That means the pizza is eating the human. So 3/7, and this is simplest form already. Okay, notice it's not challenging for you, so far. The way I'm seeing, I think it's not really challenging for you. This one, okay, let's try lah. In case any of you may have. Okay, you can. You want to call this 1, 2, 3, no problem. Okay, if you want to call this, but which one is longest, you can put 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, whatever lah. Okay, Akil, which one? First one is 3. You must identify the biggest one first. Let's see. Akil, you type in lah, Akil. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm getting the answer. Some say 1, 3, 2. Some say 2, 1, 3. Akil, you say what? 1, 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2. Akil say 3, 1, 2. So now I'm giving you the answers. Who's not given yet? Putri have not given yet. So Akil says 3, 1, 2. Zahin says 2, 1, 3. Dawish say 1, 3, 2. Putri says 1, 2, 3. Alamak. Hello, all of 4 of you got all 4 different answers. That means lucky I go through this. I thought you all know already. Come on. We are going to change this. Once you change this, don't need to change the answers. You just find out this is 8
You
points.
must change to 100, right?
You can change to 100 if you want to. You change to 100, this time you can 70. 8 meters, 70 cm. You can do this way. Or you can put 8.7, no problem. Down here now, must remember this 8 meters, 7 cm, So this is what? 8.07. Why 0.7 meters? Because they're supposed to be up to 100. There's 2 zeros, Down here, change it to 10. Change it to 10 so you can compare. So times 2 times 2. So it's 8, 6, 10. 8, 6, 10 is 8 meters, 60 cm. Or 8.6. 8.6 is you can add a zero down here. Can you see now? You can see the difference. 870, this is the biggest one. So it's either one of these. Then the second one is not 2. Second one is 3. And then congratulations to Mr. Dawish. I hope you get it. Okay, this one, how to change? You must divide. If you are not sure, 7 cm, how to change 7 cm to meters? Divide by 100. Divide by 100, what does it mean? It's 7 over 100. Oh, 7 over 100. This one is 7 over 10, you know. 7 over 10 is bigger than 700 because when you times by another 10, you get 70 over 100. So be careful. I don't know whether you'll get it now. Okay, but never mind because we're going through some more. But notice if that's your weak area, you got to pull yourself up here. Okay, this one, never mind. We do that another time. We do this another time. We do this another time. Hold on, no. This one. Can you find the area of shaded part? All the best, Putri. Ilhan went for his dose yesterday. He's feeling sick today. Zahin, you got to check. You got to check answer. They're asking you for area of shaded part. You need to find out what is the base. What is this base? And that's where the clue down here comes in. Well done, Davish. I'll tell you the perimeter. Try. Well done, Zahin. Well done. So we're waiting for Prithvi and Akil. Akil, sorry, 4. Answer is 4. What is 4 down here? The base is 4, is it? The area is 4. Okay, let's see. What, Putri? Okay, well done. Okay, but there needs to be a square there, Putri. So now perimeter is what? Perimeter is 34. What is 34? This plus this plus this plus this. So let us minus from here. 34 minus 8 minus 8. 34 minus 16, what do you get? 34 minus 16. Hold on. 34 minus 8 minus 8. You get 18. So this plus this is 18, you know. So 18 divided by 2, you get 9. 9. Now, Akil, if this is 6, this one must be 3 lah. Right? The base is 3. So half times base times half times 3 times 8. Okay. 1, 4. 3 times 4, 12. Okay, your answer is 12 cm square. Remember, don't write cm. There's a difference. Remember, I told you, Putri, if I pull out your hair, you use cm. If you cut out my skin, you use cm square. You chop out my head and chop my head into cubes, you cm cube. Okay, remember that. Okay, because there's a difference. Dawish might be confused. What is he talking about? Were you here when I talk about the skin, Dawish? Murder of me. Akil go and take my body in the zebra crossing. You don't know. Okay, let us try this one, 29. I just help you to circle certain stuff. First answer coming in. Okay. I don't think so. But never mind, we'll see, Putri, whether yours is correct or not. I have a different answer. Okay, maybe my answer might be wrong. Huh? I want to say that. So later we'll go through it and see. Let's see. You must know what this is, Putri. Do you know what this is? How many cm, Putri? The yellow part. Davish, good try, very close. Again, your answer is different from Putri, different from mine. So we have three different answers. You have one answer, I have one answer, and Putri has another answer. And Zahin has, no, Zahin? Oh, no, yeah, no. That's a previous question. But try again, try again. Davish, what is this? You know how much is this? How many cm? 6 cm, good. So, okay, I'm just going to write some clues here so that we are all on the same thing. So this is 6 times 6, right? So, Davish, you know how much this is? This one we already know, right? It's 6, right? So you need to find out this one only. You have to use this actually. ACE is the whole thing. You must write the formula like that. Half. They tell you ACE, triangle. How to find one of the sides? Astaghfirullahaladzim. Hold on. So you have times base. Do you have the base? Yes, you have the base. Do you have the height? You don't have the height. Height you don't have. And this is equals to 75. So you can times now. What do you get? Half times 15, you get what? 15 over 2, 7.5, 15 over 2. Okay, we don't know, I just write down 15 over 2. 15 over times h, let's say 15 over 2h equals to 75. This is 7.5. Okay, Zahin, you got a different answer now from the rest. 7.5h is equals to 75. What is 1h? You can use your calculator, no problem.
10.
10, yes. 1h is 75 divided by 7.5. Or down here you can say 7.5 times what equals to 75. You shift 1, right? It's 10. So you get 10. So if you get 10, this one must be 4. 6 plus 4 is 10 what? So you want to find the area then. Half times 6 times 4. The black area, shaded area. You cancel 1, 3. 3 times 4 is 12 square cm. Now the difficult part now is you don't know one side, they give you the area, you want to find the side. So we're going to practice that. This is, I think, where you get stuck. So we're gonna practice that, okay? So I'm gonna go to the board and we're gonna try that. Oh. Okay, here we go. Imagine, okay. I want you to find one side of this triangle, okay? This triangle, we don't know the base. The height is 5. Okay, the area of this triangle is 30 square meter. Can you find the base? Not drawn to scale, It's not drawn to scale. I will show you. I'll show you 2 ways, okay? I'll show you the way there's now. I'll show you another way in a moment. Anyone? Okay, I show you now. Oh, someone have done. Okay, okay. If you say 6, let's say 6, Zain, let's say 6. Now, formula half times 6 times 5. Half times 6 times 5, you get 15 only, Divide by 3 times 5. So now, this is how you do, Watch, Now, you do not know what this is. But let's assume now you can times the area. Area is 30. You can times the area by 2. When you times the area by 2, this one is also 30, right? Times area by 2.
Is it 7?
Not 7, no. This one is 60, right? So imagine it's a rectangle, length times breadth. 60 divided by 5. What do you get? You get 12. Let's test. Let's test. This one is 12, right? Half times base times height. Half times 12 times 5. 6 times 5, 30. So you can times by area by 2, then you divide by the side. I repeat, you can times the, why you times by 2? Because you know area of rectangle a lot. You want to find one side, area divided by one side give you the other side. Area divided by length give you the breadth. You know that, right? So now I times by 2, this becomes a rectangle. Once it becomes a rectangle, I divide by 5, I get 12. What divide by 5? 60 must be double. That is method number 1. Method number 2 is more, is you put in the formula. Method number 2 like this. Method number 2, let's say we call this base. Half times base times 5 equals to 30. So now how? Okay, it's a 5 times 1, 5 over 2 times base equals to 30. This one is 2.5 times base equals to 30. Base equals to 30 divided by 2.5. You will get 12. If you are confused, this is more algebra. Sec 1 algebra. But so what you do, I'm suggesting you times the area by 2, then divide by one side. Okay, you try. I'll give you another one. Sorry, 14. Don't know. Area is what is the height? Suggestion, remember this area okay, simple, 7, you times by 2, 7 times 7, 14. 14 divided by 14, it gets 1. So now I'm using rectangle. 7 times 2 get 14. Now this one become rectangle. Area of rectangle is 14 square cm. Divide by length is 14, you get 1. Yeah, okay, don't need to go toilet. We already finished the lesson already. Okay, now it's 3:01. See you next week, inshallah. All right.